Hello everyone, welcome to Weenok channel. Your midday meal provides you the fuel to keep running at top capacity. It gets you through the rest of your afternoon, which is likely filled with another 4 to 5 hours of thoughtful work at the office or at home. If you're tired of looking at sad salads or heating up instant ramen noodles, try one of these simple, protein-packed lunch ideas to keep you energized, alert and productive throughout the afternoon. If you love quick, easy, and delicious family dinner recipes for your busy weeknights, then look no further. This teriyaki chicken rice bowl is made up of tender juicy chicken, homemade teriyaki sauce, and fresh vegetables. It's simple to make, tastes delicious, and it will save your money cause just spend $7 for 3 serving. Let's make homemade teriyaki chicken in our home. Ingredients for teriyaki chicken rice bowl: boneless skinless chicken breasts, olive oil, low sodium soy sauce, water, brown sugar, rice vinegar, sesame oil, minced garlic, ginger, honey, cornstarch, rice for serving, and vegetables for serving. Teriyaki chicken is so easy to make. It will take you less time to prepare it than it does to order takeout and pick it up. Start by heating oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat and add cubed chicken. Brown chicken until it is cooked through and no longer pink in the middle. Drain excess liquid if any. While chicken is browning, prepare your teriyaki sauce. In a medium-size mixing bowl, whisk together soy sauce, water, honey, brown sugar, rice vinegar, sesame oil, ginger, garlic, and cornstarch. Once chicken is browned and cooked through, add your homemade teriyaki sauce to your skillet and continue to cook, stirring until the sauce has thickened. Serve immediately with white or brown rice and vegetables of your choice. Garnish with sesame seeds and green onion. Enjoy your meal and thanks for watching.